DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. Yo, what go on YouTube gang, you already know what time it is. The Don is back in the lab. And you see where we are deal with today, man. We're there with the Bumbuckler genocide boss. Yeah, man, you don't know where we are deal with. The crux them is out. Yeah, man, you don't know what time it is we are deal with today. Yeah, man, we're there with Masicka and Fave. Yeah, man, the one named Fight For Us. You don't know, so listen to the audio off of the album already. And this song, no pun intended, was one of my faves. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's geared towards a lady. Yeah, ladies, you know what I'm saying? But Fight For Us, bro. Fire ass track off of Masicka new album, Generation of Kings. He's finally dropping the video. And we gotta check it out, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully. You see me? We gotta check it out, man. It's only right. It's only right. The people them say the current reigning king right now. You see me? I say, I know me say so. People them say so. You know, either the current reigning king or the prince right now. You see me? I say so. We not go up the vibes much longer. You see me? Yeah, man. A mad thing. Masicka. Fave. Fight For Us. Let's get it, gang. Come on now. I just love this beat. This beat is just a feel good beat, right? Yeah. I feel this.
It's all about you.
I don't even know who Fave is, bro. I wanted to see her because I want to hear this voice. I want to see the face that matched this voice because the voice is lit.
All about your love.
Yeah, man. Bokla woman in all flavors, shapes, and forms. Come on, now, man.
It's all about your love.
It's a man's paradise right there, you know, man.
Like all about.
I feel this. Easy on my
love. Feeling like for just, feeling fine for just. Spend my life with you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life with you.
When we not pretend that, blood, please. They true that, man. Come in, man. Any fair, that girl them up, man. That got all type of blood girl from all nations, man. Come on, man.
Young king, no pretender. Something to remember.
Yeah.
She hunting for a spender.
Come in.
The world freeze when they enter. You're pretty like Dolly, can you please take the center? Wow, missing your jewel, me Gucci
The
lens.
world pre when they enter. You're pretty like Dolly, can you please take the center? Come on, now, man. Come on, now. You got the Dolly them.
What a skin
I
ten.
say Dolly them. I don't talk the plastic surgery babies. You see me?
And you look like my Benza. She gon' surrender.
Our skin so tender, mama. You look like me Benza. Come on. Now.
She gon' caress you, best friend ya. The love in her extend ya. You me want, I know where them say. Feel like love for the first time. Me see your girl, me get the right vibe, right style, cute.
You me want. Me no business what them say. From the first time me see you, from the first time you give me the right vibe. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
I know where them say. Feel like love for the first time. Me see your girl, me get the right vibe, right style, cute face with a bright smile.
Yeah, man, right style, cute face with a bright smile. You know what I mean, man, the sexiest thing a woman can wear is a smile. Remember that.
Me see your girl, me get the right vibe, right style, cute face with a bright smile. Really like for just, feeling fine for just. Send me like you.
If you think I lie, me I tell what you think when a girl could have bad and a nigga will still say smile. The sexiest thing a woman can wear upon her is a smile. That's fine.
Just spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us. Spend my life for you, really like for just, feeling fine for
Easy
just.
no man. Easy no man. Them a do the blood clad. How the dance on here? A roll of dances? Yeah. A roll of dance man. Blood yeah.
Spend my life with you, life for
I said, are you this, Fave? Fave, are you this?
She know that I got you. Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you.
You know, she got that African, I want to say ghetto look, because in Africa this is a style. You see me? In America, a girl wear this and no she ghetto as hell. But in Africa already she just a style, she a image she approaches. You see how it?
I got flowers in my room, but they were not from you.
Don't tell me this lady got a female mullet, bro. Weird. Don't tell me she got a female mullet, bro. That bad. But you see what I say? Look at it.
Still let you know that I got you.
The hairstyle right here is the thing that the rock stars usually you hear in the business in the front, party in the back type shit. That's what she wearing, dog.
Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you. I got flowers in my room, but they're not from you.
Yeah.
So I set them on fire.
Listen, mama, blood plead. Man, woman said she get flowers in her room, but they don't come from me, the boss, the Dan. So she set that on fire, which is right, mama. Yeah, man, Fave. Fave, I like Fave, bro. Yeah, man, I like Fave from here, advice, man. You see me? No, me, I match your face now. Fave. I rock with you, girl. You know what I'm
Still
saying?
let you know that
I ain't gotta say too much, right?
I got you. Now I don't wanna snooze. I gotta show I choose you. I got flowers in my room, but they're not from
Me like her style. I ain't gonna cap to you. She got this African rock star shit with the chains. I like her style.
you. So I set them on fire.
Yeah.
Goddamn miraculous that you're running there before I got all choked out. Here comes my night is shining. I'ma show me a girlie who's lucky.
Yeah. Me don't understand the will on it. I need to understand. Where she say that? So? No, I don't want to snooze. I gotta show I choose you.
I choose you.
Yeah, mama don't want to sleep on the G, man. Don't sleep on the Dan.
I got flowers in my room, but they're not from you. So I set them on fire. Goddamn
Just like that, mama. Goddamn.
miraculous that you're running there before I got all
You said, goddamn miraculous that you're around in here before I got all chopped up.
choked out. Here comes my night is shining. I'ma
Here comes my high nine to shine, and I'm going to show you me and girlie who's loved you. What the fuck is an I-9? What the fuck is an I-9? Here comes my I-9. What is that? Thames. You lose me right there, so. The only I-9 is for either work or golf, bro. You ain't got the 9-9. You know, what is the fuck is that? Am I lost, guys?
shining. I'ma show me a girlie who's lucky. A kiss, no really. I need you a bit to heal me.
Yeah, mama, me call healer, mama. Come in now, man. You need me up in there for healer. Come in. Say less.
No really. I need you a bit to heal me. No visa, I'm swimming. Watch 30 millimeters. No
Hey, mama said no visa swim. She a swim to me. She a swim to the G, which is right. Buckley. Yeah, man, mama. If she would, she would. And that's all I have to say. If she wanted to, she would.
No visa, I'm swimming. Watch 30 millimeters. No fear in me. When you say we should back up, I don't have
Say no scare, no in her. You see me and say, yeah, man.
me. When you say we should back up, I don't have anything else I'm doing. Oh, baby, you know I'm ready when you say.
Really like
I myself pack up, mama say, you don't know me now, nothing else I do, you know. Anyway, you're saying, no, me a forward. Mama drop everything. Big up your bum.
for just feel the vibe for just.
Big up yourself.
Spend my life for you, I die for us, fight for us.
But the I-9 thing, the Fave, me don't know what you mean by that. You catch me out now.
Spend my life for you. From the day that the picture, my light, the view. You keep my calm, excite me too. You find
It's
the
in Africa, right? Yeah, you get left by the blood. The
best, the style that you.
mama, them
Love your
nice.
girl, the vibe that you.
Just check, black woman, full of style.
Let's fly, my girl, in the sky, the girl. Sky so blue when the eye with you.
Oh, look at the scene, man. Lord, look at the scene.
Blue when the eye.
Look here. Oh my. This nigga look like he one of them Egyptian show that. Look here. Lord, I'm like gonna have a little light skin one talking at the corner, man. Right, man. Say, you know, I don't want to see real sister, so we got a little light skin one at the corner just in case anybody a try say nothing. You see? But be a black woman up front. Big up yourself.
Eye with you.
Oh, they skip. I skip this. I skip Marley's. Alright, dog, we sing what the song where I go crazy on TikTok? I say I love you. Where the song go? Come back.
All about you now, really.
My Bob Marley grandson, the man. The one when they really Marley. You see me? The one who sing the tune will go viral the other day. You don't know what me I talk about. We listen to tune every day, you know, that mafia. You see me? You don't know what me I talk. You see me? The song will go on told you was love. and you said something.
Like for just, feel the fight for just. Spend my life for you, I die fast, fight fast. Spend my life for you.
Young king no pretender, mama them bad now.
Young king no pretender. Something to remember.
African people can dance now,
Hunting
man.
for a spender.
Yeah. Bomba. Easy no man. What song say? I said I loved you when what the blood clean my body song that shit bothering me. I like can't remember shit. You know.
Hi,
Swear to God,
we're
if these
visible.
people call
We're the
me
wireless.
again about insurance. I'ma lose my shit. Hello? Hello? Alex, go up in your mother, Alex. You see me? Up in your mother. Head way first. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Don't crawl, you know. Don't take time. Run. Yeah, man. Bumbo, every day on the call, man. Anyway, gang. Yeah, man. Masicka, Fave, fight for us. You don't know what time it is. Hey, take that out time. You see what I say? Masicka, Fave, fight for us. That bad. You see me? Big up themselves. I already know. We listen to the audio already, know. Cause we listen to the full album and the album drop, you know. You see me? I say? And we knew they had it. We knew they had a hit. They had a thing. They had a cut. You know what I'm saying? They had a thing going, bro. Yeah, man. They just dropped the video. The video is also nice as well. Masicka, I'm not like you ain't go like you are Fave should have like a little bit closer. You see me? Yeah, man. Like way. I guess you don't want nobody feel like say you're not there, but you should give you the same vibes when you're Shensi are coming. Or go pan. You know what I'm saying? Cause fight one of you, brother. Me not like how she actually you not find the girl too attractive. You have a girl over on one side and you on one side, brother. And the song on 5 years. You see me? I'm not sure how go pan a chorus and I'm sitting there. You know, sell the song, man, sell the video. I couldn't there for real, but I'm not there, but you know what time it is. You see me? That's why I hit and run shot so. You see me? Cause in there, you know? Yeah, Floridian, sit. The chemistry. You see me? Yeah, but anyway. Let me know one thing about the one gang. You see me? If I like it, definitely show the artist some love and support. Make you know it's a Jambisco that. Say no. I know what time it is. Let's tune. Let me know what's your fave. You see me? Oh, let me know what's your favorite. Play power words. Yeah, man. But anyway, let me know what's your favorite part. If you like it, go show that song. Big up Fave. We gotta keep our eye on Fave. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we gotta keep our eye on Fave and see what else she got going on. No, yeah, man. Cause we like her voice. Personally, I like her voice. You see me? I check out more songs from her. Yeah, I think she's up and coming Afrobeats artist. So yeah. Big up ourselves, big up Masicka. Really dope collab, really dope track. Really good album. You see me? No complaints. We enjoy the one. You don't know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Yeah, man. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.